In this video, we're going to do some niche research for Merch by Amazon because we haven't done a video like that for a while. And the same research process can be applied for KDP, Redbubble, Etsy, etc. And in this video, we're going to use an entirely free tool called merchdominator.com. We've also opened up a brand new Discord server. If you guys want to get together with like-minded people, if you want to learn how to make bank with Merch by Amazon, POD in general, it's the best place to join. Let's dive right in. This is going to be the best community in POD, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna make it the absolute best. It has so many rooms, so many channels. You've got KDP, Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, other POD platforms. We're gonna be discussing research, events, trademarks, keywords, so many things, guys. Look at the server, it's absolutely huge. We're gonna be doing live streams, AMAs, loads of stuff, guys. Come join us. I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below in the description to join our Discord. Right, so let's kick off this research session. Again, as always, we're gonna choose merchdominator.com. It's a free software, free tool. I'll leave you a link down below in the description. You'll be able to enter your keywords, marketplaces, all the marketplaces, as you can see, all the products, including KDP and the zip code for your convenience. Now, when we're researching niches from scratch, we don't want to put any keyword. Just going to click on search on Amazon, just like that. And we get the best-selling Merch by Amazon t-shirts. Now, one thing to mention, guys, is this error undefined failed to fetch. This is because DS Amazon Quick View, for whatever reason, is not working properly at the moment, and BSR is quite buggy at the moment on Amazon. So yeah, that's why. So let's go to last 30 days as usual, because you want to look at the best-selling products that have just been uploaded in the last 30 days. Typically what I would do is I'd look at all these t-shirts one by one and see where the opportunity lies. But at the moment, because we can't see the BSR, I'm going to choose either AMZ Scout or Jungle Scout to do my BSR filtering. Let's choose Jungle Scout. So this is the first page. We've got 33 results that have a BSR below 200,000, because I like to set a filter for BSR. I don't want to see all the BSR results. I just want to make sure I see the best results possible. And they typically anywhere below 300,000 or 200,000 in terms of BSR. Typically, I'd go through many pages, but for this example, we're not going to go through many pages because it's going to take too long. And then what I do is I go to rank and I filter by rank, just like that. I can see a cross niche between cancer awareness and dinosaur. This is quite good. Let's have a look. So kids, pink ribbon, T-Rex, breast cancer awareness. So we're going to take this title, just the things that identify the design, and plug them into Merch Dominator like so, and then click on search on Amazon. That's going to give us the designs that are within that niche. Now check this out, guys. Not many people have done the dinosaur niche. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not very saturated. The number of results is actually not bad. 148 results. So looking at the BSR, it's pretty low, guys. Look at that. Nice. That's definitely something worth trying. And guys, if you don't know where to get these kind of graphic elements, don't worry. You've got Creative Fabrica. I mean, design elements like this and like this, like this. You can easily find them on Creative Fabrica. And I've shared with you a deal of $1 before, but now they have a free trial, completely free. With my link, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description. When you click on that link, it will bring you to this page right here in partnership with Mr. Addy. Try for free. That's not something you'd normally get, but you'll get it with my link down below in the description. Right, let's check this. Fire, couple matching DIY. Again, plug it into Merch Dominator. Search on Amazon, 131 results. Right, looking at the BSR, it's not that appealing compared to the other niche that we looked at before. Jungle Scout is struggling to get the BSR out. 29k, 91k, 112. There's not many results, so you could probably try it out. So what are the main keywords here? This is what I do always, guys. I don't copy the entire title because you end up getting fewer results and the search is not that accurate. So we're going to do skeleton, cap, dino, mummy. What they've done here with toddler boy, these are very high traffic keywords, guys. I wouldn't personally advise using toddler because you might get done with inaccurate product description with Amazon, but clearly it's working for them. Right, they've got 530 reviews. That's a lot. Clearly it's working. Another one right here. It's the exact same one. Is it a copycat? Let's check that BSR. So we can see these are selling really well, but Amazon, again, help us out, please. But Amazon decided not to show us BSR here. One reason why I wouldn't enter this niche is because it looks like it's quite saturated. 530 reviews. It's a bit much. I'm going to do out. How many clicks does it take? And then go to Merch Dominator, enter it here, click on search on Amazon. We've got 157 results. Again, we're not going to be able to find out the BSR. Nah, I'm not sure about this niche, to be honest. Iran. I think this niche is very, very, very trendy right now, but be very careful, guys. It's to do with protests that were due to a girl who lost her life, blah, 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 that kind of thing. This is due to whatever is going on right now in Iran, human tragedy, lots of protests going on. Personally, I would stay away from this niche, but again, it depends on your risk appetite. Cute unicorn pumpkin. This is going to be quite competitive. I remember this kind of design from a long time ago, so it's not new. We're looking for something new, guys. Yeah, we can see a recurring theme of dinosaur with cancer awareness. Maybe if we add the Halloween theme as well to the dinosaur and the ribbon, maybe we've got something there. Do 3 niches at once. Tackle breast cancer. This niche is quite trendy as well at the moment. I think this is copyright, so I'd stay away from it. Oh, come on. This is the ultimate example of what not to do on Merch by Amazon. This is Heinz, clearly copyright. This design is going to be taken down sometime very soon. This I wouldn't do as well. Copyright. 80s girl birthday party. This is an evergreen design. Don't tend to be as fast selling like trendy designs, of course, but then again, depending on your strategy, whatever you want to do. This trick or teach is overused, overdone. So unless you bring in your own perspective to it, it's overused. These guys are doing UFC. Hold on, let's see if it's the actual official brand. Yeah, it is. Guys, don't see that some people are doing stuff like this and just copy it and paste it. They're going to close your account. So this t-shirt here is not done by someone who's random. It's done by the actual UFC, or it might be a licensed design. So make sure you don't do stuff like this. Let's check this design. I'm a proud boss of freaking awesome employees. Again, plug it into Merch Dominator. 640 results. Again, we can't check the BSR, but at least we can see what the niche is looking like. I'm not sure about this niche, guys, to be honest. This is definitely a lyric from a song. This is very risky stuff. I wouldn't do it. This is an old quote, so I wouldn't do it. I'm looking for something new. Corn Halloween costume. This is playing off of that song that went viral on YouTube. And what I would do, guys, you've got a chance to do a scaled design here. So instead of doing just pre-K, you can do preschool, you can do kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, up to 6th grade if you want. It's a good chance to mix the Halloween niche with the teaching or the education niche. This one is quite generic. It's very rare to see a generic design do well in any niche, but sometimes you'll find 1 or 2 that take off. You're lucky if it's you. Skeleton rock on moon swings. Check it on Merch Dominator. 111 results. You could give it a go. DeSantis Airlines. We spoke about that before. I think the trend is subsiding on this one. That personally I wouldn't do. It's copyright. Unity Day. This is gone already, so don't do it. The tackle theme coupled with breast cancer and a ribbon works well. Give it a go. Try and mix it with something that's doing well at the moment. Maybe the groovy theme. They've added the American flag here, which I thought was quite a good move. Hey, look, guys, this one is very, very, very simple. And I just mentioned it. Try something that's doing well at the moment. And what is doing well is the theme of groovy. Groovy font. It has a good BSR, decent enough, 198k BSR. It sells a couple of times a day, 2, 3, 4 times, depending on the volume, of course. Yeah, guys, if you haven't already joined the Discord, make sure you join. This is where we're going to be having our discussions. This is where we're going to be sharing niches, tips, tricks, help each other out. We're going to bring in the whole community together. You'll find the link down below in the description. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you got some value out of this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment down below with your questions or suggestions. Hit the notification bell button to get notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.